Everyone's talking about AI coding tools, Copilot, Replit, Tabnine, but honestly, most of them aren't worth your time in 2025. I've tested them all, and today I'll show you which ones I dropped and why they just don't hold up anymore. Let's get real. When these tools launched, they changed everything. Developers went from typing every line to having AI autocomplete full functions. But here's the thing. Some evolved, others stayed stuck in 2022. Before we dive into the ones I don't recommend, if you like honest, no-hype AI reviews, hit like and subscribe. I test every tool so you don't waste your time. Let's talk about what doesn't hold up in 2025. 1. Tabnine, once revolutionary, but still runs on older language models. The accuracy just can't match Gemini or Cursor. 2. Replit Ghostwriter, great for small projects, but way too laggy and buggy for real development. 3. Copilot, free tier, still decent, but it doesn't understand full project context like modern LLMs. So what actually works in 2025? Cursor AI, built for developers who want context-aware help. It scans your repo and chats directly with your code. Gemini Code Assist, Google's move into serious dev tools. It blends AI plus search better than anything I've tried. Codeium, lightweight and surprisingly accurate for an open source tool. Look, no AI tool replaces a good developer, but the right one can speed you up like crazy. I use AI for refactoring, debugging, and testing, but I never let it write full projects for me. Think of AI as your junior developer, not your boss. In 2026, the real winners will be developers who use AI intelligently. Don't chase every flashy tool. Learn how to ask better prompts and understand AI logic. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and tell me in the comments which AI tool you dropped this year. And if you want to know which tools I still use every day, watch this video right here.